Hi friends, if you are wondering how to add widgets on your iPhone home screens, it could be the main screen or any other screen, it is extremely simple. Hold down your finger on the home screen, you will see the jiggle mode where all the icons are jiggling and you will see a plus icon on the top. Click the plus icon and now you can see a whole range of widgets which are available. Widgets are available in various sizes. For example, if I click batteries over here, you can see I can have a small tile over here. I could have a nice rectangle over here, or I could have a big square one over here. So I will click the small one and say add widget. The widget shows up on the home screen now. It's still in the jiggle mode, so I could just drag and move it wherever I want to move it, and all the icons would just arrange itself around it. Do remember, this one can either be left aligned or right aligned. You can't really center align it like this. So you have to either go left, right, and choose one place. Now let me show you one of the other icons. So if you pick up the Notes app, you can pick up Notes. Let me take a bigger one. Let me place it here. You see, it has displaced everything else to the other screens. I can just move it around and place it wherever I like it. You can use this for photos, for weather, for maps, for almost anything that you see on the iPhone. Now widgets can be on your home screen. So if you liked this video, if it helped you, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel. I really need it.